5 of the Speaker's rules. And in defining a court, the dictionary defines a coat as an outer garment with sleeves, be it short or long, and typically extending below the hips. That is the typical definition of a coat. And I'm afraid, Senator Methu, I wish at least what you're dressing, head, sleeve, be it short or long. And in the up, it cannot be defined as a coat. If it made the definition of a coat, then you could have gotten away with it. And therefore, my ruling on your dress code today is that you're not properly dressed for the House, and I ask you to withdraw from the chamber. Yes, Senator, what is your other point of order?